Can somebody let me go? I'm gonna be here all day, y'all. Bristol, Virginia, and we're heading to Monroe, Georgia. We getting on I-81 southbound. I ain't gonna even lie to you though. I live here though, Bristol, Virginia, cause you know what I'm saying. Like it's right like on the line of Tennessee. You got Bristol, Tennessee, then you got Bristol, Virginia. That's why I kind of thought they were gonna have me picking up at was Bristol, Tennessee, but I had to look at it twice. I'm like, okay, yeah, we're going to Bristol, Virginia. Then, you know, so you got like Withville, Virginia, like 65 miles away from here, like an hour away. It most definitely has a Tennessee feel. It looks beautiful. It looks so quiet and peaceful. Look at that big old field right here. Yeah, so like it's literally been raining all day. Since I got up this morning, it's been raining. I'm gonna put y'all on this dashboard so I can put this thing back on the charger and y'all enjoy the ride. As soon as I get my money right, they in trouble. I said as soon as I get my money right, they in trouble. Good tonight. One of the country's best soldiers. I've been down so long. Yeah, I smile a lot and sometimes I frown so long. Alright y'all, so we just made it to Bristol, Virginia. About 7 minutes away from our shipper. And we're gonna get this loaded. We're gonna head on to Monroe, Georgia. So I will holler back at y'all when we get to the shipper. Alright guys, we back. Oh, it took a little minute, man, but anyway, I had to make a little couple phone calls because I didn't have the right pickup number, so I had to call my dispatch and get another number. But they got us driving around here and they want us to drop our empty off in door number 5. So I just got done sliding my tanners and stuff like that, opening up my doors. We about to drop our trailer. We're gonna swing back around and we're gonna pick up our loaded trailer. Guys, we on our way back over to the front to get this load. Man, I freaking love preloads, man. Real, I love preloads, man. If all I can do is preloads, man, I promise you I'll be a truck driver forever. But the thing about it is my loads gotta be preloaded. I can't get there and be like, well, you know, they was late on the loading, so do you mind doing the lap? No, it need to be ready when I get there. Alright, let me see what we picking up. Picking up trailer number TA130478. 130478. There we go. Y'all wanna go out there with me? Take y'all out there with me. It rain though, it is not my fault. The camera is waterproof, so I don't mind taking y'all outdoors. Put my hood on my head. See if hopefully it ain't covering. Hopefully it's not covering the camera now. I don't think it is though. I'm just gonna take the hood off. It is what it is. It ain't gotta be let down a lot. I just wanna, you know. And how heavy are we? We are 8,000 pounds. Yeah, we ain't heavy at all. We ain't heavy at all, and this is not a heavy haul. Crank that landing gear. You crank that landing gear. You crank that landing gear. Yeah, so I talked to my dispatch, and you know what I'm saying, if everything works out right, I go home Thursday, which is the 1st of October. Everything's supposed to be working out as far as me getting home. I said they trying to work on giving me a load coming back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm gonna leave it on 11. We ain't gonna do nothing to it. I don't want to get my paperwork wet, but I'm gonna just look at my seal and make sure it match. 118029111. So our lights in our trailer, our lights in our tires good. That's a good thing. Let me look at that trailer. Let's see it one more time. 118029111. 118029111. 118029111. 1182911, I think. 029 02911. 118029111. We out of here, y'all. So we 282 miles away. We're 5 hours away. All right, y'all, let's go. And we off to Georgia. What's up, guys? Good morning. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA checking in once again, and this is day 2. It is currently 7:13 in the morning Eastern time, and we're still leaving South Carolina. We just woke up from our 10-hour reset, and we're like an hour and 40 minutes away from where we're dropping off at. We're going to Georgia, so we're like an hour and 48 minutes away from Monroe, Georgia, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna get from there to take us back home. So just want to check in with y'all, let y'all know what's going on. Y'all stay tuned, my guys. Enjoy the ride. We almost there. Alright guys, so we got our instructions and we're dropping off in M. So I need y'all help now. I need y'all help to help me find M. What's up with my mother truckers? See, I'm gonna show y'all how such of a good job we did. I still ain't got no pre-assignment yet, so we just gonna be patient and wait and see what happens. Alright y'all, let's drop this bad boy. Let me hang y'all up here. Be right back, y'all. Alright y'all, so that jump was empty. It's crazy how the world works. Like, it was literally raining all day long yesterday. Now the sun is out. So we got our pre-plan and we're going to Alabama. So it's getting us closer because South Haven, well, Mississippi is closer to me too as well. So I'm guessing that's what they doing. I don't know. We finna see though. Make sure our lights are working, make sure our tires good. Now we good on the lights, tires, and do our little tug test, make sure we tugged on to it. And we gotta open one of our doors up too when we leave. So I'm gonna do a little paperwork, y'all, and I'm gonna catch back with y'all here shortly. All right, guys, so we've officially we done with all our paperwork. We dropped the Monroe, Georgia load, and we're on our way to Union City, Georgia for our next pre-assignment, and we headed to Alabama, y'all. So I catch y'all in Union City, Georgia. Keep busy, mother truckers, mother truckers. Handsome Mother Trucker, man. We signing up, man. Out.